What's wifey material according to you?
We are the worst people to ask. I think someone who's like there for you emotionally, that's like one of the main things. Like, see, people will be like someone who doesn't cheat or something like that, but I think that's absolute bullshit because that's the bare minimum, right? Like, cheating should not even be there up in the standards. That's like the bare minimum anyone could do, no matter be a girl or a guy. But I feel like someone who's there for you emotionally, there to support you, there when you're feeling low, I think that matters the most.
Just someone who doesn't cheat. You can fully be yourself with somebody else and they want to take care of you as much as you take care of them.
I think there's mutual respect and understanding, and that's all I believe in. I don't believe in the crux that, oh, my girl can't party. I'm the kind who would want to party with my guy, but and I think that's just wifey material. Like, party but not alone.
Khushi! No, you tell me
material. It doesn't have to be Cardi B's version of I cook, I clean, but we cook, we clean though.
Wifey material is 11 on 10.
Oh, me, myself, and I.
Understand that there are two different dynamics in any relationship, regardless of whether you're married or not. So you will have to bring in that feminine element. But again, it's not to say that you should be ultra or uber feminine according to some people and their standards. You will have to find your own element and bring that to the table.
When I find her, I'll tell you.
Loving, caring, loyal, honest.
I think someone who's similar to my lifestyle. There's no wifey material for me.
Someone I can connect with.
Loyal, classy, and good looking.
Wrong person, I'm already a wife.
At this day and age, do not expect that, please.
Me! I think someone who supports you, like hand in hand.
A woman who knows her identity, at the same time supports the guy she's with.
Me. Someone who is actually very supportive and who is very gullible with everything actually. I think anybody who is here to stay in the long run, one, and secondly is definitely here to respect you for who you are, not here to change you.
What qualities should a man have to be a husband?
Just treat me right and I'll treat you right. That's it. He just needs to be a gentleman, understanding. That's the most important point.
Being there for the person who's there with you. And I think, like, personally, I would prefer someone who's... So, like, everyone has their own love languages, right? My love languages are words of affirmation and gift giving. So, as long as my future husband can complete those, I'm fine with it.
Somebody who provides constantly.
Provide what?
Everything.
Just say yes for everything.
Loyalty is key. Trust is something that can't be bought. It has to be earned. And the small things go a long way. Chivalry is not dead, but it seems so unrealistic to expect in this current generation.
So someone who can carry themselves out in wherever they go.
Empathy, because I think until you know the struggles of your partner, there's no other way you can console her or be there for her.
Old school, gotta provide, gotta carry themselves good, and
What are you going to provide?
everything. Everything.
Trustworthy.
You should be loyal, that's all. Kind, caring, listens, and got their money right.
Growth oriented and honest.
Respectful.
Who knows what he wants?
Oh yeah, he should be rich, very rich.
Get in touch with your femininity.
Rich, good looking, and honest.
Mutual understanding, respect. Definitely not putting his thing out everywhere.
Loyalty.
Always pizza first.
Not to be a man who and seek validation everywhere.
Money brings you honey. Being very honest.
Just kind and being able to accept what you bring into
That's
the
the biggest bullshit ever said by anybody.
You be with someone who's not kind and then you see how they act.
Doesn't matter. Money matters at the end of
That's
the
why I'm not with you.
हम पे तो है ही ना.
Loyal first of all. Transparent, not loyal, not honest, transparent.
I think just a lot of men lack emotional maturity. If they have that, they are just understanding in general. I think that's very important.
Should have emotional intelligence.
A woman is leaving their house and coming and marrying you and staying in your house. You have to be very open and open about everything, helping her with things in the house, outside the house, and just have an open mind about it.
Someone I don't have to make a splitwise account with. Twisted treatment. They should bring something to the table other than just love. Not money, definitely not money, but there are many other things to bring to the table. And secondly, a lot of emotional maturity and respect.